Welcome to this comprehensive guide on obtaining Mexican citizenship through descent, specifically designed for U.S. citizens of Mexican heritage. Today, we'll explore the necessary steps, documentation, and nuances involved. Please note that this information serves educational purposes and should not replace professional legal advice. In today's video, we'll cover four main topics: understanding eligibility for Mexican citizenship through descent, preparing for the consulate visit, exploring how marriage influences residency applications in Mexico, and addressing important disclaimers to keep in mind. First, let's examine who is eligible to claim Mexican citizenship through descent. If you're a U.S. citizen and one or both of your parents were born and raised in Mexico, you may qualify. You'll need to provide substantial evidence of your parents' Mexican citizenship and your biological relationship to them. This usually involves documentation such as birth and marriage certificates. However, these requirements can differ, so it's crucial to verify details with the Mexican consulate applicable to your case. Now let's talk about the essential documentation needed for your application. You will need to provide proof of your parents' Mexican citizenship. This can be achieved through birth certificates for both you and your parent, as well as potentially a marriage certificate. Always remember to check with the specific Mexican consulate, because the requirements may vary. The process of obtaining Mexican citizenship through descent kicks off with scheduling an appointment at the relevant Mexican consulate. Make sure to carry all the necessary documents with you for their review. It's important to note that your marital status doesn't impact your eligibility for citizenship, so marriage is not a prerequisite for your visit to the consulate. Let's see if you've been following along. Here's a quick quiz. Does marriage affect your eligibility for Mexican citizenship through descent? You can choose from the following options: yes, it does; no, it doesn't; or only if married to a Mexican. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. If you selected that marriage does not affect your eligibility, you are correct. Marriage is only relevant when applying for residency if your spouse is involved. It does not affect the citizenship application through descent. Although marriage does not impact your eligibility for obtaining Mexican citizenship through descent, it becomes significant if your spouse seeks residency in Mexico. A marriage certificate, both original and officially translated, along with additional documents, will be necessary to support the residency application. Remember, this is a separate process from gaining Mexican citizenship itself. This video provides general insights into obtaining Mexican citizenship through descent and the role of marriage in residency applications. It should not be considered a substitute for legal counsel. Always consult with an immigration attorney or the Mexican consulate to get precise and up-to-date advice specific to your situation. To wrap up, remember that eligibility for Mexican citizenship through descent is based on parental citizenship. Preparing for your consulate visit is crucial, and marriage only affects residency applications. Always consult legal experts for the most accurate and personalized advice. Thank you for tuning in to this video. If you found the content helpful, please like the video, share it with others who may benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below.